Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check recently deleted photos on iPhone. And here's how it is done. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. This is where all your images and videos are stored, and it is also where you'll find your deleted items. For this demonstration, let us go ahead and select a few random photos from your library. Tap on Select at the top. Choose a couple of photos, then tap the trash icon to delete them. Confirm by selecting Delete Photos. Now, those photos have been moved out of your main library and are temporarily stored in the recently deleted folder. To retrieve any recently deleted photos, head back to the Photos app main screen. Scroll down until you see a section called Utilities. This will be located near the bottom within Utilities. You should see an option labeled Recently Deleted. This is the folder that temporarily stores any photos or videos you have deleted in the last 30 days. Tap on Recently Deleted to open the folder. Here, you'll find a list of all the photos and videos you have deleted in the last 30 days. Each item will show how many days remain before it is permanently deleted, giving you a clear time frame to recover any photos you may have accidentally removed. And that is everything you need to know about how to check recently deleted photos on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.